Total Preparation Lucknow welcomes you all to its online program. Friends, in this video we would be discussing 100 one-liner current affairs for the period of 16th of September till 30th of September 2020. Union Minister for Culture and Tourism, Mr. Prahlad Singh Patel, announced the formation of an expert committee to conduct a study on the origin and development of Indian culture. How many members constitute this committee? So the correct answer to this question is 16. A 5-point plan was recently agreed between Russia and the foreign ministers of which country to ease tensions on the line of actual control? The correct answer is China. Aditya Puri, the managing director of which bank, has been awarded the Lifetime Achievement Award 2020 by the Euromoney Awards of Excellences. HDFC Bank. For how many months has the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Package insurance scheme extended for health workers fighting against COVID-19? So the correct answer is 6 months. Every year, World Ozone Day is celebrated on 16th September. When was it first celebrated? So friends, the World Ozone Day was first celebrated in the year 1995. Paytm First Games PFG has appointed which former Indian cricketer as its brand ambassador? So the correct answer to this question is Sachin Tendulkar. The Lok Sabha has recently approved a bill with a provision to cut the salary of MPs by what percent for 1 year? So the correct answer is 30%. Who has become the richest football player in the world recently? Lionel Messi. Sadashiv Raoji Patel recently passed away at the age of 86. He was associated with which sport? So he was associated with cricket. When is the World Heart Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 29th of September. In the Babri Masjid demolition case, how many accused have been acquitted by the Special CBI Court of Lucknow in its verdict on the case? The correct answer is 32. When is the International Translation Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 30th of September. Which state government has banned the sale of open cigarettes and beedis to reduce tobacco consumption and ensure compliance with the Cigarettes and Other Tobacco Products Act 2003? The correct answer is Maharashtra. Which first and only women chief minister of Assam died recently? The correct answer is Sayyida Anwara Taimur. Reserve Bank of India has selected which Bollywood actor for its customer awareness campaign? The correct answer is Amitabh Bachchan. Which director of the Indian film industry has been appointed as the chairman of the Society of Film and Television Institute of India (FTII) and chairman of FTII Governing Council? The correct answer is Shekhar Kapoor. Which top diplomat and ruler of Kuwait recently died in a hospital in US? Sheikh Sabah Al Ahmed. Akali Dal MP Harsimrat Kaur Badal, who resigned from the Union Cabinet in protest of agricultural laws, has been made a member of which parliamentary committee? She has been made the member of Parliamentary Committee on Foreign Affairs. International Human Rights Organization Amnesty International India has recently stopped work in which country? In India. Which company has recently won the contract to build the new Parliament House by bidding rupees 861 crores? Tata Project Limited. How many crores of rupees will the Indian government invest in public sector banks? 20,000 crores. When is the International Democracy Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 15th of September. The central government has increased the scholarship amount from 5,000 to how many thousand rupees per year under the Pragati and Saksham Scholarship Scheme 2020 for the students of Jammu and Kashmir. So it has been increased to 50,000. Great Learning has appointed which Indian cricketer as its brand ambassador? The correct answer is Virat Kohli, who has been appointed as the new country director for India by the Asian Development Bank ADB. Takeo Konishi. Which country has signed Abraham Accord agreements that normalizes the diplomatic relations with the United Arab Emirates and Bahrain? Israel. Which country has announced plans to give free corona vaccine to all its people? America. Which country's ambassador to China, Terry Branstad, has resigned from his post? America. The central government has announced the establishment of an All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, in which city of Bihar? So the answer is Darbhanga. The Ministry of Defence has approved the purchase of weapons and military equipment worth how many crores? 2,290 crores. Who has been elected as the chairman of Telecom Regulatory Authority of India for the next 3 years, replacing the current chairman R.S. Sharma? The correct answer is P.D. Waghela. The Ministry of Home Affairs has approved setting up of 3 additional branches of NIA, that is National Investigation Agency, in Imphal, Chennai and which other city? The correct answer is Ranchi. When is the World Rabies Day celebrated? Coordinated by a non-profit organization called Global Alliance for Rabies Control. The correct answer is 28th of September. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently inaugurated 6 mega projects under Namami Gange mission in which state? It was done in the state of Uttarakhand. Which state government has decided to use radio to provide education to children in remote areas of the state? The correct answer is Odisha. The Asian Development Bank has approved a loan of how many $1 million to finance water supply and sanitation infrastructure and services in cities of Rajasthan? The correct answer is $300 million. How many years has the Himalayan Lunar Telescope recently completed? So it has completed 20 years. According to the Union Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan, the Government of India will increase the healthcare expenditure in the country to 2.5% of GDP by 2025, which is currently 1.15% of GDP. The National Health Policy 2017 was aimed to increase public health expenditure by what percentage of GDP? 2.5%. India has signed an MOU on intellectual property cooperation with which country recently? Denmark. Department of Industry Promotion and Internal Trade has increased the investment of foreign companies in defense sector from 49% to what percentage? So it has been increased to 74%. Which country has been elected as a member of the Women's Status Commission of the United Nations Economic and Social Council for 2021 to 2025? The correct answer is India. Which country has recently become the observer of the Djibouti Code of Conduct? The correct answer is India. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated 12 railway projects related to passenger amenities along with Kosi Rail Mahasetu in which state? Bihar. Which country has recently banned 8 Chinese goods from China, including cotton, child-related products, computer components and some textiles? The correct answer is America. Which cricketer has been appointed as a new brand ambassador by online poker platform 9stacks? The correct answer is Suresh Raina. Which position has India got in the World Bank's new annual Human Capital Index? 116th. Which famous fashion designer died at the age of 63 recently? Sharbari Datta. Which country has secured first place in the latest rankings released by FIFA recently? Belgium. World Tourism Day is celebrated on which day? It is celebrated on 27th of September. What is the theme of World Tourism Day this year? It is Tourism and Rural Development. Which veteran BJP leader and former Union Minister died at the age of 82? Jaswant Singh. A US federal court has banned President Donald Trump's app on ban order on Play Store. TikTok. Which two players have been selected as the best footballer of the year of All India Football Federation? Goalkeeper Gurpreet Singh Sandhu and women's midfielder Sanju. How many crore rupees tax case has been won by the telecom company Vodafone against the government of India? 20,000 crores. When is the International Day of the Deaf celebrated? It is celebrated on 26th of September. The World Deaf Union started International Day of the Deaf in which year? 1958. Which state has won the United Nations Interagency Task Force Award for outstanding performance in Sustainable Development Goals related to controlling non-communicable diseases? Kerala. Which former Indian cricketer has been appointed by BCCI as the chairman of Senior Women's Selection Committee due to her long experience? Neetu David. Akash Educational Services Limited, an institution preparing for competitive exams, has announced which cricketer to be appointed as its brand ambassador? Yuvraj Singh. The World Bank has recently approved a $200 million loan for safe water and sanitization in which country? Bangladesh. The former Prime Minister of which country, John Turner, died at the age of 91. So he was the Prime Minister of Canada. Who has been appointed as advisor to the Executive Director of the International Monetary Fund? Simanchal Das. When is the International Peace Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 21st of September. When was the International Day of Peace first celebrated by many nations, political groups, military groups and people? 1982. A nationwide lockdown has been imposed for the second time due to the increased infection of corona in which country? Israel. Which High Court has recently ordered an immediate removal from all posts of MP Birla Group, giving a big blow to Harshvardhan Lodha? Calcutta High Court. Which Union Minister has resigned from his post opposing the bill related to agriculture from Modi cabinet? Harsimrat Kaur Badal. Former RAW Chief Anil Dhasmana has been appointed as a new chairman of National Technical Research Organization for how many years? 2 years. How many $1 million financial assistance has been provided by India to Maldives to help in dealing with the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on the economy? $250 million. Which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Mahila Utkarsh Yojana? It's been launched by the state of Gujarat. The Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers has approved to set up how many plastic parks in the country? 10. In which year was the Plastic Park scheme launched? 2019. Which state government has given administrative approval to Moksh Kalash Yojana 2020? Rajasthan. The former cricketer Dean Jones of which country died in Mumbai? Australia. On 24th of September 2020, how many states have been approved by the central government to avail additional credit of rupees 9,913 crore through open market lending? 5 states named: Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Goa, Karnataka and Tripura. India successfully test-fired which indigenously built nuclear capability missile on 23rd of September 2020. So the name of the missile is Prithvi 2. The central government has approved the states to use up to what percentage of the state disaster response fund to fight the corona pandemic? Up to 50%. Which day is Antyodaya Day celebrated in India? It is celebrated on 25th of September. September 25th is celebrated as Antyodaya Day across the country on the occasion of whose birth anniversary? Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay, who has been appointed as a regional ambassador for India by the United Nations Environment Programme due to his attachment to the environment. Khushi Chindalia. FIP Council in Istanbul, Turkey declared World Pharmacists Day in 2009. On which day is World Pharmacists Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 25th of September, and the full form of FIP is International Pharmaceuticals Federation. Which country has recently banned travel to 3 countries including India, Saudi Arabia? Which First Lady has the honor of flying Rafale fighter aircraft? Shivangi Singh. Which Minister of State for Railways died at the age of 65 due to corona? Suresh Angadi. According to the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, what percentage of Indian economy is projected to decline by 2020 due to COVID-19 pandemic? 5.9%. According to the report of United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, what percentage of global economy is expected to decline this year? So it's expected to decline by 4.3%. Which Indian actor has been included in the list of 100 most influential people by international magazine Time? Ayushmann Khurrana. Which year has the Indian Railways targeted for 100% electrification of large lines? 2023. In which state was the foundation stone of the country's first medical devices park laid? Kerala. Which famous chef has written a book called Kitchens of Gratitude? Vikas Khanna. What is the theme of World Maritime Day? Sustainable shipping for a sustainable planet. When is the World Maritime Day celebrated? It is celebrated every year on the last Thursday of September. DRDO has successfully tested indigenously developed laser-guided anti-tank missile in which state? Maharashtra. Government telecom company BSNL has raised more than how many crore rupees from sovereign guarantee bonds? 8,500 crores. Which Romanian player has won the Italian Open Tennis Tournament 2020 for the first time? Simona Halep. Which famous climber of Nepal, who climbed 10 times without an oxygen cylinder to the peak of Mount Everest, the world's highest mountain peak, recently passed away? Angrita Sherpa. Rita Sherpa, Nepal's famous climber, who climbed 10 times without oxygen cylinder to Mount Everest, is known by what nickname? So he is known as Snow Leopard. Which day is marked as the World Alzheimer's Day? 21st of September. The Prime Minister has announced an increase in the minimum support price of 6 Rabi crops sold in the financial year 2020-21. The increase in the minimum support price is in accordance with the recommendations of which commission? Swaminathan Commission. When did the Government of India set up the National Commission for Farmers under the chairmanship of M.S. Swaminathan, also known as the Swaminathan Commission? November 18, 2004. Name the 2 women officers who will be deployed on the warship for the first time in the history of Indian Navy. So they are Sub-Lieutenant Kumudini Tyagi and Sub-Lieutenant Reeti Singh. So friends, with this we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for being with us. We have tried to include few more important questions this time, which would be really helpful for you from the point of view of upcoming competitive exams. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our video. In order to keep getting the updates on other current affairs related topics, please press the bell icon. Thank you.